If you sell your products online, you have probably listed that same product in 5 different places. And updating all of them, that's your Tuesday afternoon gone. You change a price, you have to update it on Facebook catalog, WhatsApp products, and maybe some other spreadsheet somewhere else. And if you miss one, wrong price live, stock mismatch, and customer complaint. It's not hard work, it's exhausting busy work every single week. That's exactly the problem I built Sheetlyze to fix. Sheetlyze is a Google spreadsheet template specifically built for small shop owners. You manage everything, your products, expenses, orders, all in one spreadsheet. And the fun part is that this spreadsheet gets syncs to your Facebook catalog automatically. So when you update a price here, it's live there on your Facebook catalog. No copy pasting, no switching tabs, and no forgetting. And here's what I love about it. It's Google spreadsheet. You already know how to use it. Your data stays yours and nobody else's server, and no monthly subscription watching you. You pay once and that's it. No recurring payment ever. Sheetlyze only takes 10 minutes to set up, and it pays for itself the first Tuesday you don't spend updating 5 different listings by hand. If you run a shop and you're still managing all your products manually, grab Sheetlyze now. One payment, your data, your spreadsheet, just finally all organized.